Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We've got a 2021 Sandpiper fifth wheel, 391 FLRB. 5 slides, couples model, solid entry steps, power awning with LED accent lighting. Got a camp kitchen with faucet, mini fridge, one-touch leveling. This unit has a lot of storage in the back. At the very rear, we've got 3 access doors for this very large storage. And we've got a sliding tray, very deep inside there, and pass-through storage on the front. Extra large grab handle for the entry door. Front living room. 2 fold-out couches. Fireplace. Connex stereo system. We've got a televator for the TV. This unit has a front AC unit and a bedroom AC. Theater seating, reclining, with accent lights underneath. Got a ceiling fan, residential refrigerator, 4-burner stove with oven, microwave, table and chairs with storage under the table and the chairs. Self-closing cabinet doors. Also got a bath and a half up front. King-size bed. Room for a TV. Nice big rear bathroom. Double sinks. Shower. Also got a big closet that is prepped for a washer dryer if you wish, or it's got the bar up front top already. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.